So today I would like to discuss some important topics for intermediate microeconomics 2, semester 4. So let's begin with the syllabus first. So the syllabus comprises of 5 units that would be monopoly, general equilibrium, welfare, monopolistic competition, externalities, and public goods. So let's begin with the monopoly first. So in monopoly, the first important topics would be equilibrium condition in case of competition, would be price equals MC, uniform pricing, perfect price discrimination, third degree price discrimination. Inverse elasticity rule, no supply curve in monopoly, how to calculate derivative loss of the monopoly, numericals with quality variable, which you can find in Nicholson and Snyder back question, two-part tariffs, which would comprise of OE tariff and optimal tariff. Also, regulation of monopoly is a nice theoretical topic with two diagrams and also a comprehensive theory around it. In general equilibrium, this is a very vast unit. You cannot hope to miss any of the topics from this, and that includes Edwards box, tracing contract curve for various utility functions, and finding Pareto efficient allocations. Algebraic proof of Walras law can also be asked. First question theorem. Uh, for that, we need to learn a theory and proof for second welfare theorem also. Now, for finding Pareto efficient allocations in case of Cobb Douglas, perfect substitutes, perfect complements, quasi-linear, and max sequence. These would be the most important cases that can be asked for numerical problems. Now, moving for welfare chapter. In this is mainly a theoretical topic uh, with some kind of numericals around welfare maximization. First, that would be properties of social decision mechanism from variant page 634. You can read that. And it also comprises of Arrow's impossibility theorem. Now, social welfare function, there are only three mentioned in the book. That would be classical utilitarian, Rawlsian, and need scan function. Now, welfare maximization comprises of conditions similar to the consumer utility maximization we did in semester 3. And there's also fair allocation type problem in Edwards box in which they can ask in a question related to general equilibrium that is the optimal allocation fair or not. Now moving to monopolistic competition, there is nothing much, but we have to read well topic 25.7 from Valium, where it talks about introduction to monopolistic competition, and there is a diagram also, which is 25.6 from the book. Now moving to the externalities in public goods. Now these two units are really easy to do if you can just read the book and mark down their important topics. Those includes Post theorem, quasi-linear preferences, assignment of property rights. Now numericals can be based on merger, equivalent tax size, assignment of property rights, in which there are two cases. One, the property rights are assigned to fiscal firm, and one is the property rights are assigned to steel firm. Now there is an important diagram, 34.3 in variant, which you can mark and also use in any of the answers, which comprises topic from social cost and private cost. And numericals based on conditions can also be asked, like that in the category of commons, we have an example based on cows on grazing land. So that would include MC equals AP when common property and when MC equals marginal product when privately owned. For public goods, the necessary and sufficient conditions for when to provide a public good is an important algebraic proof there. The case for quasi-linear preferences is also repeated. Now, efficient amount of public goods that also comprises of equilibrium condition, which would be MRS1 plus MRS2 till end consumers equals the marginal cost of providing public good. A free data problem comprises of some theory and a diagram 36.2, which is very important. And the last topic would be Lindahl pricing. So that would be it. Now you can find the PDF for my notes in description box. And thank you for subscribing.